Hello, Aaron here with Gro Lawn Uglyweeds.com. Today I'm coming to you from Keller, Texas, doing a follow-up video on the manuscript, so let's get right to this. So I just got done spraying the Dallas grass. I still have the backpack sprayer on my back, and you can still see the areas are still wet where I treated, and of course my shadow. So far I think the Dallas grass is a little stunted. As far as it being sick or anything, I'm not so sure that it's very sick. That one doesn't look like it's been treated 2 weeks ago, and the last time I treated this was 16 days ago. Hello, Aaron here with Gro Lawn. Today I'm coming to you from Keller, Texas, and I'm testing out this product, Manuscript, on Dallas grass and crabgrass. And I chose this little area because they're kind of congregated in this little area. They have a few Dallas grass plants throughout the yard, but this is the most populated area. So I mixed the Manuscript up at 1 ounce per gallon, and the surfactant that comes with it at 0.64 ounces per gallon. I sprayed the plant to wet. Today is July 2nd. I'm gonna come back in 2 weeks to see what kind of results we get. I sprayed this at 1 ounce per gallon with Manuscript, and I used 0.64 ounces of sticker. And each time I've come to this property, I've mixed the property fresh on site. I didn't want there to be any variations in treatment. And today it's about 1,000,000 degrees outside site. No, I'm just kidding. It's about 95 to 100, somewhere in that range. So stay tuned, and I'll be back in 2 weeks to see what kind of results we get from this Manuscript treatment. My opinion now is that I'm still really skeptical that it's going to work with 2 treatments, and we'll see you in a couple weeks. Thanks, bye.